Hello? Is someone there? Oh, I'm hearing things. How can this book make me jumpy? Jack's grin widened, and with that breathless consent, he shoved his hand further beneath her skirt, brushing his fingers against the damp cotton underside of her simple black panties. She gasped and parted her legs, moaning as need set fire to her flesh and... Hello? Okay, I know I'm not hearing things this time. Something is out there. Damn. Alright. Let's have a look. Hello? Hello? We're closing in a couple of minutes. I'm afraid you'll need to clear up now. Hello? Okay. I know someone's here. I just don't... Oh, fuck. What's that noise? Oh, God. Someone really is out there. What are they doing? It's like wet and... I should call the police. This isn't right. I should call them. I should get help. I should get that security guy to come in and... No. No. Xyta, stop being silly. This is a library. It's not exactly a breeding ground for freaks and weirdos. Just find out who it is and tell them to move along. Hello? Hello? Are there any... excuse me, sir, we're about to close and... Oh, it's that lad from before. Why is he standing there with his trousers down and... Shit, what do I do? Should I let him finish? Should I... Oh, did he just moan my name? Oh... What do I do? Shit! No. Oh, God, no, please. Don't be embarrassed. I didn't mean to sneak up on you and interrupt your extracurricular activities. Yeah. Oh. I've been standing here long enough to know exactly what's going on. I hope you enjoyed that as much as I did. If you'd like to hear the rest of this audio, please consider supporting me on Patreon. There, for a pledge as small as $1 a month, you'll receive full and instant access to all of my erotic audios, including some of the more experimental pieces like hypnotic inductions and immersive hypnotic fantasies. There are other perks too, like discounts on bespoke audios, voting on future public audios, and the chance to win a 30-minute voice-only Skype call with me. All the information you need is in the description box below, so I hope I'll see you soon.